Oh, isn't it great just to feel the yoga mat beneath your feet? Start warming up. This is your movement. Ready for sun salutations? Yes. Yes, let your breath flow. Down dog. Let your elbows be right next to your ears, up on your toes, and when you exhale, bring the heels down. Listen for the breath. And down. Keep your back as straight as you possibly can. Other side. Building strength. And down dog. We're going to do 2 more rounds. This opens the entire body and prepares it for all the other asanas to follow. Side 2, second round. And down dog. Left foot forward. And we're going to step it up a little bit, and we're going to use our arms. Watch closely. Warrior. And down. Exhale. Other side. Warriors are the foundation. As I said, to all poses, drop the shoulders and down dog. They prepare you for all other poses. And I love hanging out in down dog. Now we're going to add one more thing to this. Inhale and exhale. Other side, other leg. And coming up, coming up, coming up. Shoulder rolls and down. Whew. Yeah, that can be pretty tough, those sun salutations. So just move it out and about. This is our sensual flow. Oh, yeah. Just like we started. So if you ever get really tired of just doing the regular yoga poses, just dance it out a little bit. Makes it much more fun. And open up. We're gonna do goddess. Elbows come up, flat back, and take your chest towards the mat and away from you. Make sure you're breathing rhythmically. Jump it in. Personally, sun salutations every morning after you meditate. And your body's all warmed up for the rest of the day. Just gonna add building strength. This is just prep work for crow. Squat it out. Woman. Finding your breath, you're just going side to side, releasing your shoulders. And just come right into lotus. Draw your shoulders back and down, palms facing up. Let your crown reach all the way to the sky. Find your peace, find your balance. It's within, find it. Namaste.